There it is. Depth 4,000 feet, it's massive.
Confirmed coordinates. The anomaly matches the target profile exactly.
Comms check, lockout engaged. How's your pressure holding? Holding steady at 2,000. Seal looks good. Ready for deployment. Deep Ops, this is the Argo Salvager surface team. You are approaching the target depth. Maintain visual contact and report any structural anomalies. Significant corrosion on the aft section. Barnacle coverage is extreme. Copy that. Structure appears intact, but heavily compromised. These forward lifting points are compromised. Scanning structural integrity now. Scan complete. Integrity confirmed. Copy that. Executing recovery plan alpha.
Surface, this is camera 1. We have separation from the seabed.
The recovery lift balloons engage, beginning the slow, perilous ascent of the container from the Atlantic seabed.
All right, Argo, maintain position. We're bringing it up steady now. Steady as she goes.
Crane, hold your position. We have too much sway. Roger that. Holding steady. All right, team, let's bring her down slowly now.
The pitting corrosion extends deep into the plating here. Copy that. The markings are barely visible under the rust. We need to inspect the locking bars and hinges immediately.
The iconic four rings, once pristine, now bear the scars of time and the relentless bite of saltwater corrosion.
Tensioning the front straps now. Hold position. Bring it slightly to the left.
Leaving the harbor behind, the team begins the long process of bringing this legendary machine back to life.
Bring it down slow. Watch the ramps. Wheels are touching down now. Keep pushing steady.
We're looking at extensive saltwater damage here. A gentle pre-rinse begins to wash away the years of ocean contamination, marine salt, and thick mud, revealing the intricate electric vehicle.
Untouched for decades beneath the waves, the salt and mold have taken hold. Now, the long process of restoration begins. The exposed structure tells a story of years beneath the ocean, with heavy surface corrosion and marine oxidation covering the chassis reinforcements.
Deep within the RS e-tron GT's complex wiring, we find significant oxidation on these high-voltage connectors and aged insulation near the control modules. The marine salt has caused significant corrosion on these high-voltage cables. We're replacing the old assemblies with factory-spec components.
Using a precision spray gun, the
Final alignment check. Watching the pins engage. Looks good. Securing the main connectors now. Utilizing specialized diagnostic probes, the team meticulously inspects the high-voltage connectors and cooling circuits of the Audi RS e-tron GT. Torque sequence initiated on battery pack connectors. Confirmed. Moving to the cooling system bolts now. The final alignment is critical. Using the specialized sensors, the team ensures the new suspension geometry is precisely within factory specifications. The advanced thermal management system requires meticulous reinstallation. Cooling pumps and lines must be precisely seated before the electrical connectors are locked into place. Suspension alignment is spot on, and the brake temperatures are nominal. Agreed. All systems are green. Ready for sign-off.
Look at the oxidation around this wheel arch. Yeah, sir. Yeah, and the corrosion on the panel edges is worse than we thought. We need to document this extensively. Looks like we're good to go on this side?
Yep.
Same here. Let's start the process.
Alignment data confirms the front axle is calibrated perfectly. The paint inspection is complete and flawless. We are clear for sign-off.